Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. And today guys, we're gonna make Escovitch saltfish with fried dumpling. Here I have a pound of saltfish in here. I asked the guys to cut them up as how I want them. I have little pepper over here, garlic, and 2 pimento seed. I have my onion here already, 2 Escovitch and 2 pepper. And I have my flour. I already need my dumpling over here. So I'm gonna go clean up my saltfish. I'm gonna scale them off and give them another rinse or 2, and then I'll be right back to you guys. Okay guys, so this is it. I just clean off like this. Get off the little scale on it. Not too hard. Take your time. Okay guys, I'm scraping off my saltfish. They're looking good. I have it been soaking from morning. I went away and come back. I'm going to get some red label to put in my fruits in soak. The weather was very bad today. It was not a good experience on the road today at all. It's blowing snow. Thank God I'm back home safe. Okay guys, so I have my saltfish here. I'm just drying them out before I fry them. I'm gonna start with the dumplings. So my pot is getting hot. I turn on the stove. I'm gonna throw some oil in there. I'm gonna mix the oil with coconut oil, half and half. Teaspoon of coconut oil in there. Having the coconut oil frying the dumpling is gonna be very nice. It's gonna be tasty. It's gonna give it a good flavor. Okay, that's it now. Give it another minute and let the oil melt. And then I'm gonna start making my dumplings. Okay guys, I'm almost finished frying my dumplings. So after I finish this, I'm gonna start frying my saltfish. Okay guys, so stay tuned and join with me frying my saltfish. Escovitch saltfish today. I don't see anybody with that yet, so I'm gonna see. Okay guys, so I'm putting in my saltfish. Start frying my saltfish. I want to stay quick because I don't want to get burned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take out the first piece I put in. It's very brown and nice guys. I don't know if you guys remember when you used to see these people who sell fried dumpling and fried saltfish and fried fish and fried dumpling with onion in the morning. Mostly at the market you can get this to buy. I remember 2 ladies in Loki Market used to sell Miss Grant and Miss Ines. Used to be selling fried saltfish.
Escovitch fried saltfish.
Yeah, Escovitch fried saltfish. I'm trying to do the same thing now. Those days were good, man. You can smell it from afar. Okay guys, so now I have a little vinegar and 2 spoonfuls of oil in here. I'm going to start my escovitch. I'm just going to place my onions inside. Let they open up. Just a couple minutes. And they're gonna start opening up, guys. In a few minutes it's gonna start opening up, guys, and I'm gonna add my hot pepper and stuff. So now all my onions are open up and I'm going to add in my peppers. So I have a little sweet pepper over here just to give it a little color, let it look nice. And my garlic. Just let my little Rastaman color. So I'm going to cut my hot pepper now, put it in here. For 2 seconds, just to let this steam go over the peppers, and then we're gonna plate it and let it look nice. I'm gonna get my gloves on to cut my pepper. Last time I cut a pepper without the gloves on my face, it was in fire. Put on my gloves when I'm cutting my pepper. So guys, I want you to put a comment in the comment section and tell me if you remember eating Escovitch saltfish back home with fried dumpling or with bread, hard dough bread. You can have it with a hard dough bread too. The Super Bowl coming up on the weekend, guys, so you can do a fried saltfish for Super Bowl. I'm gonna be doing the chicken wing after, but you can have your fried saltfish with a slice of bread or your fried dumpling, whatever you want to eat it with for the Super Bowl. I'm gonna slice my peppers. Put some around my stuff here because it's not everybody gonna eat the hot pepper. Maybe I just put one piece in there. It's smelling very rank. So I don't want my sisters them to cry. Take off my gloves. I'm turning off my stove. I'm gonna make a last stir. And I'm gonna add this to my fish now. Come on, get in the pot. Okay guys, I'm gonna share out my stuff now. Okay guys, I'm escovitching my saltfish now. I'm not putting too much because I want you guys to see my saltfish. That's enough. Put onions on the side. Escovitch saltfish. Guys, I'm gonna try dumpling over here. I'm gonna make a plate after, so you guys can see my plate, what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna make a plate for my sister.
So this is the finished product of the Escovitch saltfish and fried dumpling.
Share a plate too. I'm gonna share a plate, guys. Okay guys, so this is for my sister. I just share her this. This is a finished product of our Escovitch saltfish and fried dumpling, guys. Guys, you can do this for Super Bowl if you need to, or I'm gonna make some chicken wings after. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please. And thank you for watching our videos, guys, and thank you for passing by. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. God bless you. Bye bye.